So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in core isolation. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to turn off memory integrity. So just turn this off. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to reset the PC. Instead, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Just wait for this to load, which will then take us into this screen. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then startup settings. And then click on restart. You want to disable driver signature enforcement, so click on either 7 or F7 on your keyboard. Click on 7 or F7. It's going to take us back into Windows. And now once we're back on Windows, see if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, just restart your computer, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.